comes the ferry bit. See it? Yeah. Excuse the mess of the van, but it was cold this morning. It was that cold that we actually got the heater going on. It's pumping out some nice warm air right now, so yeah. It got down low 40 degrees last night, so wasn't bad. Nice and toasty in here, but taking the dog for a walk, came back, fired the heater up. Yeah. Coffee time. Okay, tonight's one pot meal is fried potatoes, onions, mixed vegetables, and little pork steaks. Pork chops. There you go. Get out, son. Pork chops. Okay, so now we're at the Botanical Gardens.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, and this wasn't here when I graduated and left and joined the Air Force.
Yeah, but it's just down the road from where we were yesterday.
Not far from DeTour.
There's the view behind us. Okay, so really,
I guess they can swim, but there's no lifeguard.
really beautiful area. We got a little bit with us as well, so she's down there.
Check it out.
So yeah, let's take a walk around.
Dr. Shula F. Giddens was my, I think, 9th grade biology teacher, and she was the local doctor here in DeTour, and she took care of us. She was very awesome, and I guess this is dedicated to her. It says, who served the DeTour area as a doctor, educator, community leader, and a friend. Our heartfelt thanks to you for the sunshine you gave us. Show the love to the Lord. That's pretty. That's a worthy person. She was awesome. Love her a lot.
Just beautiful.
The waterway there, along the top, benches for you, and then they have like birds you can sit and contemplate, and then there's some more benches over there along the water. Places you can set up picnic rugs and blankets and take a break. I mean, if you don't have the money to go somewhere, you can make it, you know. Do something simple with your kids. This is spring. A lot of things aren't coming up yet, but they have restrooms for you when you come. Here's some more flowers and like hydrangeas and all kinds of plants. And this was in memory of Ezra and Esther Fountain. Oop. I like that sculpture. I don't know who did that. The big moose back there. And they got buoy. And this one is from Doug McCullough, founder of the DeTour Botanical Gardens. His inspiration and vision in 1998. Okay, yeah, that's why I didn't see it, because I left in 1979. I was still in until later. It says his inspiration and vision in 1998 turned the piece of village property with the help of many volunteers into the beautiful gardens we have today. That's awesome. If you want to do some community work, I'm sure they'd like you to come over here and give a hand. Some tulips up over there. And I think forget-me-nots. I won't swear on it. Little pink purpley things.
Kind of unfortunate, but they got a sundial and it looks like someone broke off the top of it. Got a moose to the right, babe.
Yep.
There's a cold wind coming off the water. Beautiful little spot. Yeah, this is the first time we've actually been to this little garden, and it is beautiful. I love that. Look at that. Your window to the world. That's special. All these seats are like in the perfect spot to get beautiful views. I love the little bears. Look at that. Baby bear. That must be big mama bear in the back. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool, huh, babe? Yeah. Keep going. Right there's the ferry boat, and you got another boat right there which is getting loaded up at the quarry.
This is slate.
Beautiful though, isn't it?
Yep.
Little blue flowers.
Yeah, those are periwinkle. Mighty nice.
Nice little walk. Yeah, those are nice. Yeah, the main road is right there. There's the main road. This is off the main road. It's perfect. DeTour Botanical Gardens. It's a little hidden gem. It's real good, babe.
Pit pit. You're drinking. Say cheese. You happy? Little bit, bit.
Like a dinosaur. It's huge. Sure.
Let me throw this away.
Sure.
Oh,